Today I'm doing a little meal prep. Have a little meal plan action going on for the next 2 weeks. Little increase in protein. So I'm raiding the freezer. Going to turn some ground chicken into chicken taco salad fare with the addition of some pinto beans. Going to broil some strip steak. I'm going to cut this in half and Pappy and I will share that and make it with some grilled asparagus. Then I'm going to marinate these chicken tenders. They're still frozen. I'm just going to stick them in the bag with the tomato, garlic, basil marinade and see if we can get those grilled up tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm going to cook up these chicken sausages and brown them for use for breakfasts. I have my chicken in the bag, and I didn't put as much water in the marinade because the chicken's still frozen. So I'm going to just stick it in the fridge and turn it over every now and then whenever I get into the fridge so that it all gets nice and marinated. I got my chicken cooked and my pinto beans added with just 1 packet of taco seasoning. And that was pretty simple. I drizzled my asparagus with some olive oil and buttery steakhouse seasoning. I might put some of the sharp cheddar cheese on it here towards the end of the cooking time. My chicken apple sausages are done. My steaks are in the oven. Everything's getting done. Steaks are done. And the asparagus sprinkled with sharp cheddar cheese. Lunch today, the chicken taco with pinto beans over lettuce, crispy lettuce, and I made a dressing with homemade ranch dressing and salsa mixed in. And I'm packing up some, and Monterey Jack cheese, can't forget that. Packing up some for Pappy to take so he can heat up his topping and then pour it over and then add the dressing. And this is Birdie's. Dinner today, supper. We're gonna grill some chicken and have some sheet pan vegetables. This is from a Costco trip. We can't see the chicken yet, but we'll take a peek at it on the grill. And this is from a long time ago. It's been in the freezer for quite a while, the chicken, before I marinated it yesterday. Here's supper tonight. Our grilled chicken and oven roasted veg. And there's Pappy's. I have my already meal prepped chicken taco with pinto bean salad. And I forgot my berries at breakfast time. And also I did not film breakfast, which was eggs and chicken apple sausage link. But we're gonna have that again, so I'll have an opportunity. Lunchtime for me, some leftover chicken and roasted veggies, and a few strawberries that I forgot to eat at breakfast with my protein bar. This is what you get when you don't have time to cook or something happens. This is a bacon chicken cheesesteak without the bun. And they just put all the toppings they would on your cheesesteak, but on your salad. And Pappy has the same thing. It was actually his idea. Having a simple dinner today. Some ground chicken to brown in a pan. I'm gonna add some spicy bulgogi. Sweet and spicy. Has soy sauce, pear juice, ginger, and crushed red peppers. We're gonna eat it in salad, like a little lettuce cups, if these cooperate, for something light and refreshing on this busy outside work day. Chicken is cooking, and I put a little of the, about 4 tablespoons of the bulgogi sauce in there. I looked inside the butterhead leaves and I picked out some that looked nice for wraps. So we'll just wrap it up and eat it inside the leaves. Other additions to this could be grated carrot, chopped celery, onion, or scallions. Just don't have time for that today. Here's our simple chicken bulgogi lettuce cups and Pappy's. Lunch today, leftover ground chicken bulgogi that we stuffed lettuce leaves with, and some strawberries. Here's breakfast this morning. 1 piece of toast, 2 hard-boiled eggs, some seasoning, green tea, and berries. Well, today's supposed to be roasted garlic chicken, sausage, and zoodles, but we have pieces instead. And in the whole scheme of things, does this really matter? Not really. So I'm just letting everyone know, if you need to take a break from fancy, go right ahead, because I'm just not feeling fancy today, trying to get caught up, and the shape of things really isn't going to matter. I have some olive oil in the pan. It's heating up. I'm gonna add some of this roasted garlic. I'm trying to play, if it's open, use it up, so things don't go to waste, and it's good for you. So no excuse not to use it in this garlicky dish. And this is a job for the garlicky and spicy seasoning blend. I have my chicken roasted garlic sausages cut up in there with the zucchini and the seasoning. Just need to add my minced roasted garlic, maybe a little more seasoning blend. Got our roasted garlic ready to stir in. Woo, we're steaming up. And I've gotten out a secret weapon. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for probably tomorrow and the next day, if there's enough in there. Going easy on the carbs at supper time. You can have a little cheese though. I have this grated cheese from a while ago. I grated it all up so it would be ready. Just gonna sprinkle a little on top for a little extra flavor and satiating fat. And this is what it's looking like. I'll have some for supper, and then probably at least 1 lunch portion. Here's supper. Roasted garlic chicken sausages and zucchini with garlic and cheese. And Pappy's. And there's still some left in the pan. Looking forward to an easy supper tonight, just gonna stick this pork loin fillet in the slow cooker. Have some purple sweet potatoes and green bean casserole. Just gonna get the pork loin in the slow cooker, and I'll probably end up microwaving the sweet potatoes or possibly oven roasting. And then these are quick and easy too. I decided to put it all in the slow cooker. We're going to be extremely busy today, so I thought, why have to do another step? I've roasted potatoes in slow cooker before. I scrubbed them up really well with my vegetable brush and poked holes. Cut the big one in half. I love the purple sweet potatoes. They're so pretty, and more antioxidants, or a different kind than I'm used to getting, so that's a bonus. Pork loin's in there. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water and set it on low. Later on, we'll have dinner. Just have to heat up my green bean casserole. Have my green bean casserole in the microwave. Gonna have what's left of this butter lettuce with some pickled beets and some other doodads. Make salads. This is what it looks like in the slow cooker. There's our salads before we eat the main dish. And pappies. And here's our barbecue bacon marinated pork tenderloin with purple sweet potato that was done in a slow cooker, and green bean casserole. And pappies.